So I'm discussing about the canonical form and in a website. See here, what my website is 4seasonstream.com here. What that? Index.html. Now click for. My home page has a 2 URLs. When you click the home, they open for the another URL here. Now click. What happened? Index.html. We have the 2 URL for one web page. And 2 web pages, same content. What happened? Google treated as a spam. So how to fix your spam content using with the canonical form? Please write down, fix the issue. First copy your website URL. Take the notepad. This is for syntax. This is a home page. I can prepare the all canonical forms, all web pages. What second one is profile.html. Now fix it. Services.html. Done. Each page you can writing for canonical form, but each canonical you can add by separate pages, the relevant pages. Now here I'm taking for home one. Copy this URL. Just write down steps. Go to cPanel. The option call is File Manager. Public_HTML. Select your website. Now this relation will be which page? Home page. Now just go to here. Index.html. Click for edit. So always coding by which part? Header part. Is a open. So here the close in between. Just Control V. Click for save changes. Now click here home. Just Control U. We will check your backend. Source will be Control U. What is that? This is for canonical form. I have 2 URLs, but index.html will be duplicate. They treat as only for this is my primary URL. So same like that. Now what the second one is profile.html. Same, go to same page. What is that? Where? Profile.html. Click for edit. Each canonical form, different pages. Home will be home page. Separate will be separate page. How will be identified? The page extension. This is the header part. Now fix it. Click for save change. Now next one. What is that? Services.html. So what is my page? This is my page. Right click. What option call is? Edit. Click for save change. See what is that? Header will be close. Always coding by header part. Now you can check. How to check? Go to services. Control U. Control F. Canonical. Done. Each page writing for separate canonical form. If anybody copy my content, I'm writing the first time. So I mean the first preference is the Google search engine. No spam purpose. Canonical form purpose of duplicate content, duplicate URL purpose. So first writing the syntax, copy paste by where your cPanel of the file manager, taking the website particular page, adding the header part.